Welcome to Vridhivej Finance, and this time we are presenting Kotiak Industry Limited IPO detail. This is one of the SME IPO, and in that case, basically, see, if you are looking for any kind of fuel, kind of manufacturer, they probably get established not very immediate as comparing as to the other industry. So we can say is about that if you wanted to start your any kind of related to fuel, it took some time and then you had to find the vendors. So according to us, yes, Kotiak Industries Limited having manufacturing unit in Rajasthan, and they are based out of in Gujarat. So they are manufacturing biofuel. So this time this SMA is really having a good growth probably, because their verticals, whatever their products is available into the market, that has having many verticals, and we will come back with the exploring about that in our next templates too. Vridhivej Finance presenting Kotiak Industries Limited IPO 2021 SMEs. Yes, we are expecting this November or the year end. There are a number of IPOs are going to open their issues. So till the time you can subscribe us for further information on that case. So you can get and lot of information about the companies, and then you can find out where you wanted to invest it or not. Choice is yours anyways. If you see Kotiak Industries Limited, this company has registered on 30 December 2016 as Kotiak Industry Private Limited, and this company basically has changed their name from private limited to limited on 5th August 2021. Our company is primarily engaged in manufacturing biofuel, which is an alternative source of energy and has the ability to replace and good substitute of traditional fossil fuels like coal, firewood, lignite, etc. Our company is serving towards renewable green energy and sustainable development of renewable natural resources, that's biofuels, through the adoption of environment friendly technology that favors the net reduction of greenhouse gases emission for use of vehicles for public and private transports, as well as various equipments and general sets driven by experience in agriculture, innovation and investment in research and development. As a biofuel substitute for traditional fossil fuels, which with the alternate sources of renewable energies, and those incorporate our company under the name Kotiak Industry Private Limited in the year of 2016 for traditional manufacturing of biofuel. Our company has well diversified customer base catering to various segments. The customer of the company including oil marketing companies like Indian Oil Corporation, that is IOCL, bulk buyer being transport contractor, mining companies, etc. As of July 31st, 2021, our company has 23 employees on our payroll. Our office is based in A3 second floor, Sri Ganesh Nagar Housing Society, Ram Kaka Temple Road, Chhanni, Vadodara 391740, Gujarat, India. You can contact us on the 0265 345 is the telephone number. For information, you can mail info@kotiak.com. And for further information, you can log on their website kotiak.com. Their manufacturing unit is based in F86 to F90 Rico Industrial Area, Swarupagni in District Sirohi, 307023 Rajasthan, India. So in that case, their products, we are going to talk about their products. And if you see their products is in biodiesel. Biodiesel is a renewable biodegradable fuel manufacturing domestically for vegetable oil, animal fat, or recycle. And in that case, recycling, restaurant, green grease, and methanol. Biodiesel meet both biomass-based diesel overall advanced biofuel requirement renewable fuel standard. Biodiesel is a liquid fuel often referred as B100 or neat biodiesel in its pure unblended forms. Like petroleum diesel, biodiesel is used fuel compression ignitions engines. Biodiesel is clean burning fuel and safe alternative to replace traditional petroleum diesel. It's a high lubricity and can be fuel component for use existence and modified diesel engines. This means no retrofit unnecessary when biodiesel fuel in diesel-powered combustion engines. It is an alternative fuel of such a convenience. Biodiesel act like petroleum diesel but produce less air pollution, come from renewable sources, is a biodegradable and is safer for environment. Producing biodiesel fuel can help create local economy revitalization and local environmental benefits. Many groups interested in promoting the use of biodiesel existing at the local, state, and national level. Biodiesel on the road vehicle. All vehicles diesel engine and powered by biodiesel without any hassle. Off-road vehicle. Natural biodiesel can be used for construction, mining, and farm machineries. Marine vessels. Natural biodiesel can use marine engines safely. Marine use specially alternative due to elimination of any possible for contamination of waterways. Stationary power generation. With the new power generation capacity coming online, natural biodiesel make an attractive choice to meet regulation. Many stationary applications are permitted. Source requirement exhaust emission control system, which will work with the biodiesel but will not work with the diesel fuel. Boiler. With natural gas price rising high, biodiesel can be substituted easily for natural gas with the minor changes necessary to burner train. Hybrid vehicle. With many states are now mandating hybrid electrical vehicle including fuel cell hybrid, biodiesel will make an excellent reform fuel. Lubricity agent additives. Natural biodiesel can also use lubricity agent enhancer in the many application. It is especially useful marine application where water contamination with petroleum lubricity agent can be create problems with low sulfur fuel regulation of future. Biodiesel can be used lubricity additive. A 1 to 2% biodiesel added to diesel fuel increase diesel lubricity by 65%. Fuel additive. Biodiesel can also used as a diesel fuel additive for purpose of keeping injector pumps and other combustion component clean. A 1 to 2% blend should be sufficient for the purpose. Biodiesel physical characteristic, we are not going to read their melting point, etc. Cloud computing. Biodiesel life cycle. Basically this company is into glycerin, veg ester, and biodiesel. So biodiesel has been used in many verticals. They have well explained in that case, and in that case they are also veg ester semi finished. It is a semi-finished biodiesel with some further process convert into biodiesel. This can sold other processing unit generation of biodiesel. Glycerin is also known as major product of biodiesel manufacturing process. Basically, this is a byproduct, we can say. Every 100 pounds biodiesel product, approximately 10 pounds of crude glycerol are created. As a biodiesel industry is rapidly expanding, glut of crude glycerol is being created. There are various outlets for disposal and utilization of crude glycerol generated in the biodiesel plants. For large scale biodiesel products, crude glycerol can refine into the pure form and then used food, pharmaceutical or cosmetic industries. For small scale products, however, purification is too expensive to be performed their manufacturing sites. The crude glycerol is usually sold large refinery for upgrading. So in that case, if you see glycerin and all, basically those are using people have a fantasy about the glycerin soap and all. So you know very well about, we can say, not only and their product has been used basically into the market one another way, because they are having a lot of applications in different verticals. See, if they are using into the marine industry, if they are using into the another industries as like roadways, waterways, the efficiency and elasticity of the product, and their byproduct is nothing but what? Glycerin, which is used in various products also, because their appliances are in different industries. So we can say this company couldn't goes down. Yes, if you are on generally we can say it's not easy to do business into the this kind of products. And if you see, their products are biodiesel, C9, CB, FS, that is carbon black feedstock, mixture of C12 and higher component liquid paraffin oil, dewatering fluid. So we are not going in that case. Dewatering fluid, what exactly? And white oil manufacturing from highly refinery base oils. So next time we will come with the review if this company is doing good after the listing, because this is a SME company, so we are not focusing right now. In that case, yeah, we can focus it, that is not problem, but we will comes once they have a good rapid growth in their shares, hopefully guys. So you like it about their company, not company, their product detail basically. Yes, company is also doing a great job. Kodiak Industries Limited IPO detail. IPO opening date will be 21st October 2021. IPO closing date will be 25th October 2021. Issue type fixed price issue IPO. Yes, so you can invest it. It will be open on the same pricing. Face value 10 rupees per equity share. IPO price is 51 rupees per equity share. Market lot size 2000 shares. Minimum and maximum order quantity will be remain same. Listing at NSE and NSME. Pre-issue holding will be 98.51%. Post-issue holding will be 72.22%. Dear, thank you by Vridhivesh Finance. And in that case, we can say if you are interested, you can invest around 1 lakh rupees in case of SME IPO. But if you do not have that much budget, After listing also you can invest into the market, because few SME really doing a great business right now, means like their shares are up, we can say. So it's not all about, we are not talking about their what exactly going into the management, what exactly going into the company. We are just talking about the shares, that's it. So we will come back very soonly with the number of IPOs. We are hoping that in the month of November you will, or the end of October, you will get lot of IPOs, hopefully. And yes, market is all time up. So you will see when market goes down, there is a large investment will be come back. Hopefully. Have a great day, good day. Bye.